Hello everybody and welcome back. We're going to continue on a little bit with one of these System General Multi-Apros. Curiosity's getting to me. I just couldn't let it lie. I had to do it. This is a unit with a serial port. This is a unit with no serial port, just an extender. I am going to light this up and check a chip with it, see if it works. I've got a just standard dip in there. Let's boot this up. This thing's loud, so I've got it connected to the headers, to where the serial port normally goes. So this is just verifying if it'll work as a main unit, not a slave unit. So I'm going to launch WinMA, and I'm going to connect to the programmer. It's connecting. DRAM testing. Cotty's over there waving. You can see her shadow and her tail. Takes a while to test DRAM on this thing. But I'm gonna have to go through and recheck all four of these programmers. But this is kind of cool that I can just test it on the bench. So I think I have a serial cable floating around here somewhere. I'll have to hunt it down. That way I can just plug into it. Beats daisy chaining them. She's going to be in my way here. I said it takes a while to test this DRAM. So there it is. Okay, and we are machine 1310. I believe that was one of the EPROMs that was scratched onto the EPROMs. So I think those EPROMs hold the machine number and configuration data. So, and sockets enabled 1. We're going to use an AM27C256 just like last time. I'm going to select the task. I've got a brand new 27C256. And it says driver is ready. So let's drop this in. Lock it down. And I'm just going to read. Blank check. Verify. Program. I'm going to read from master device. Read from master device. Okay, it passed. And let's see. Data file. Download the DRAM. I'm just going to load something. I'm just going to select any file. And calculating checksum, CF1F, and I'm just going to program it. Program DRAM. So we blank checked program and it's verifying. Looks like it did it. And process passed too. So Let's verify it. Just verify just to be on the safe side. Pass number 3. Does passes multiple passes, so. So, yeah. I think this is good. We can read it back, maybe. See if we get the same checksum. CF1F. Pass. We're good. So, yeah, that solves that question. You can add a serial port to these add-on units and use them as a regular System General Multi-Apro. Thanks for watching.